The yearning for respite, a quiet sanctuary removed from the relentless clamor and hazy embrace of the city, had taken root in the hearts of a young couple. Their search led them to the verdant landscapes of Dong Nai, a haven situated approximately 20 kilometers from the bustling metropolis of Saigon. Here, amidst the gentle rustling of leaves and the promise of cleaner air, they envisioned a dwelling that would serve as their personal retreat, a place for rejuvenation and intimate connection. This vision materialized into the Three Green Spaces house, a testament to their desire for a life intertwined with nature. Central to the design philosophy of this unique abode was the explicit desire for privacy. The couple envisioned their home not as a social hub, but as a deeply personal space, a haven where they could shed the stresses of their demanding lives. Consequently, the kitchen was strategically positioned as the heart of the house, a vibrant nucleus around which their daily routines and shared moments would unfold. It was a deliberate choice, emphasizing the intimacy of their lives together and the focus on their own well-being rather than external engagements. Furthermore, a profound connection with the natural world was paramount in their aspirations. They dreamt of a living environment where the soothing presence of greenery would be a constant companion, visible from any vantage point within their home, even during moments of work. This fundamental desire became the guiding principle for the architects at Abode Design Office. Their ingenious response was to weave an alternating tapestry of gardens throughout the linear expanse of the house, a deliberate strategy to invite the life-giving elements of sunlight, gentle breezes, and the refreshing embrace of trees into their daily lives. The spatial constraints of the land presented a unique challenge. The plot, with a modest width of 4.4 meters and unequal lengths of 19 and 23 meters on either side, demanded a flexible and innovative approach to space allocation. The architects masterfully addressed this by conceiving a fluid arrangement of distinct yet interconnected zones. The front of the property was designated as a welcoming garden and practical parking area, seamlessly blending functionality with natural aesthetics. Moving inward, an outside courtyard emerged as a pivotal element in the design. This carefully curated green space served a dual purpose. It acted as an internal lung, facilitating the natural circulation of fresh air throughout the front and rear sections of the house. Moreover, it provided an additional pocket of natural beauty, a tranquil interlude within the built environment. This thoughtful integration of greenery ensured that the residents were never far from the calming influence of nature. At the rear of the house, a serene backyard unfolded, featuring a tranquil lake that subtly connected the private realms of rest and rejuvenation, the bedrooms and bathrooms. This aquatic feature offered more than just a visual connection. It fostered a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. Importantly, these private spaces were designed to overlook the garden and an outdoor shower, creating an immersive experience where the act of cleansing became an intimate communion with nature. Beyond its aesthetic appeal as a miniature garden, the backyard lake served a practical purpose, particularly in the tropical climate of Dong Nai. The gentle breezes that meandered through the house would carry the cool mist rising from the water's surface, naturally air conditioning the surrounding spaces and imbuing the air with a refreshing coolness. The three green spaces house thus stood as a testament to thoughtful design, a harmonious blend of architectural ingenuity and a deep respect for the restorative power of nature, providing its inhabitants with the peaceful sanctuary they so desired.